Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? So I'll be showing you how to properly preserve your carrots so that it can stay longer for you. And as you may know, carrots is a perishable goods, vegetable rather, and it kind of gets rotten easily. If you can notice, this one is as if is having some dent on it. If it's not properly preserved, it starts spoiling from there. And this video is all about how to easily preserve your carrots. There are different methods of preserving carrots. You have the one you kind of cut into um, shape and parboil, dry, and then freeze. That one is another process, but this one is a kind of easier. Instead of going through that process of boiling, drying, and packaging, you can simply use this method and your carrots will be preserved for up to 1 month and you can still use it. So to get started, just hit that subscribe button first so that you'll be and the bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started on how to preserve our carrots. So this is our carrots. What you just need to do is first of all, you need to wash it to get those dents out. So I'm just using only this much. You can take out this if you want, but if you don't want, you can still leave it with you. So I just want to wash it. Make sure you wash thoroughly. So what you need to do, wash thoroughly and transfer it to, let me rinse. You can just experiment this and let me know on the comment section below if it works for you or not, but I'm sure it will work. So let me just take it out because this container cannot take both the leaf. They are too lengthy, so just put them in here. So once it's properly fixed, so add once you've got a container that you want to put your carrot in, it could be bigger than this, it could be maybe this type of container up to 2 or 3. So just put it there. What you need to do is to add water to it. Make sure that the water covers the carrots. That is why I didn't use much on this one. So the next thing to do is to just tightly cover this, but leave one part of it a little bit open. You will not tighten this place, just leave it open so that the air can easily go out from it. So this your carrots. You have now properly preserved your carrots, and this pattern can last up to 3 weeks or 4 weeks. But what you need to do is to remember to take out this water after 2 or 3 days so that it doesn't start fermenting the carrot. So just take it out and replace it with another fresh water. So put it in your fridge and your carrot will stay longer for you. All right, I hope you learn Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.